Alright, so we're about to check out the collab stage at Gallo DJ. I said I wouldn't say it because I keep messing up. It's DJ though. I do know it. From NBC. It is a collab stage between Monsta X, GOT7, and Nuest. And they are singing a song by SES called Just a Feeling, I think, right? It's just a feeling? Just a feeling. So, looking at the names, because beforehand coming into this, I don't know who's actually involved, and they're all in Korean. So, let me do my best at reading. I think that says Beko. That's obviously Nuest. Minhyun from Nuest as well. JB. We got Youngjae. We got Shonu. And we got Kihyun. So, those are the names in Korean. Hopefully, I said them all right. I know I hopefully pronounced them right, but hopefully I got all the members involved, right? Man like Shonu reunited with his trainee brethren from JYP. It's a good sight. I want to see this. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Excuse you, brother. Beko bugging out. Hold on. Hey. But that's so weird. I thought they'd be paired the way they're paired up here, because they're literally separated by commas. Unless that's later. Look at mine. So they all have such different voices. Jeez. That's a nice saxophone. Bitch, hold on! Oh shit! It's so nice. This song is nice. I wonder if it's like a straight up 1-for-1 how it sounds. Obviously with them singing it. But if it's like a different like rendition or take on it. Look at them old friends. Hey. This reminds me kind of like when artists just come together and like do stuff like this. Oh, that song. We are the one they did for Haiti. When the whole stuff happened in Haiti, everybody came together. Why he working the crowd like that? What's his problem? Yo, that was nice, bro. I swear to God, they're trying to get me to watch this. This is Mnet. Y'all playing with me. But it sounded so good. It's so dope how all 6 of them come together for this. And like, they all sound so different from each other. If anything, I'd say the closest to each other would be Beko and Shonu. But even they sound different from each other, you know. But I think they'd be like the closest to one another. But obviously, being so familiar with Shonu's voice and like his tone, I'd be able to distinguish it. But like, they're like the closest, I would say, I guess. But regardless, like, it was so cool to see all of them come together for this. These collab stages are so dope. There's so many to check out. I can't get to all. There's one of them I wanted to check out. If you're here for Nuest, just know I haven't forgotten about the Lost in Sauce. It will come back as soon as I can, but I'm not going to promise anything else. I'm not going to promise dates anymore. That's one of the things I do personally for myself. I need to stop promising things because I'm not sure I can 100% do them. So that's that on that. And I also did listen to You Calling My Name is playing in the background. If you forgot 7, there's just no reaction. There's a couple songs I checked out, no reaction, like TXT, Oneness as well. It's a couple others as well. That I just checked out and I didn't react to because I was just dealing with so much shit. But yeah, this is 100% one of my favorite GOT7 songs, period, with Face and Paige. And obviously, you know, me and MONSTA X. So yeah, this was nice. This is nice. This is song. I like the song. I like how the song sounds. I wonder if it's like an actual like different rendition of a straight up 1 for 1. I gotta go listen to the original. Actually, I'm gonna save the original so I can react to it. Take me back, team.